That I love my family.
I go hard.
That I love the outdoors.
Family. I love my man.
Simone Gobler is my best friend.
I wish I was that guy.
I love Kim and Chelsea.
Dancing with my mom.
Summer. I love my sister. I can't.
I love kids.
That I love my family.
I like golf and sun.
Let's see your beautiful
I'm an athlete.
face.
Happy doing something new.
Family oriented.
My best friends and teammates.
Mine says that I like the Knicks.
Go Knicks! Woo!
Unconditional love for my family.
I'm very casual.
I'm with my good friend.